We're in France, man. Paris, France. It's daylight out, but back home it's like 4 in the morning. I need some rest. It's a hostel, y'all. I'm about to get something to eat. Bacon, avocado with onion rings, y'all. Yes, indeed. Happy Juneteenth. We're in France, man. Paris, France. Just landed. Let's get it.
Fly me out to Paris, I'm the baddest. I just want the money I can manage. Bust me down, I want a ring with the carrots.
Hey, y'all, I am really tired right now. It's daylight out, but back home it's like 4 in the morning. I need some rest. I just came out of the train station and it's like, whoa, France in full effect. Yeah. Yo, I'm walking to the hotel right now. Evidently, I'm going to have to pass a river. And then on the other side of the river, look at this old jewelry, yo. That right there, that stuff look like it's real old. That's deep, right? All right. Yeah, they got cheeses and sauces. All right, let me put this camera down and pay attention. Yo, it's like mad people out here today. They got the bike lane going on. We're about to cross this bridge here. I don't know exactly what's going on, but this is the River John. It looks like some type of drawbridge right here. Let's check this out, y'all. As soon as I get the light, people are exercising, working out, riding the bikes. I'm in France, y'all. I'm in France. All right, I'm crossing, y'all. Oh, you know what? I'm crossing, but I think that's my hotel over there. That's actually my hotel over on this side. That's my hostel, put it that way. That's the hostel that I'm staying in right there, y'all. It's like $78 a night. Everything else is expensive. I wonder if those boats are restaurants down there. All right, just the hostel rooms, y'all. At the hostel. The elevator was out. Let's check it out. This was actually the first hostel I've ever stayed. So nobody here asleep. Oh. Looks like there's a walkway on here, but nowhere to go. It's a hostel, y'all. I'm about to get something to eat. This is where I'm staying tonight. Then I'm flying out in the morning. One night, this was like 70 and some change a night. Then there's like a bunch of little extra add-ons, man. It makes the price go up.
Dat is kinder blijkbaar. Vlak aan zo die cocktailbar waar we zaten.
Bacon, avocado with onion rings, y'all. These look like those bagged onion rings. You know, I thought being that I was in France, I was gonna get some special onion rings. I'm here at the St. Christopher's Hotel, man. That burger don't look bad though. I like that bun. This is the bacon, avocado, chicken. Chicken, bacon, avocado. Right there, y'all. Right there. That's it. That's it from all sides. Let's see what's in it. The chicken, I got that grilled chicken in there too. Got the avocado on top. Got some type of sauce. It look like Thousand Island sauce. And on the side, and it also has like this pickle here. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. It smells good. The onion rings, though. I'm starting to get disappointed with my fries and onion rings. Only thing I'm missing is hot sauce. I can do pepper or hot sauce. It doesn't matter to me. I'm a pile of pepper on though. We're gonna make it pepper spicy. Let me taste this pickle. I'm gonna put that pickle on there. The pickle's good. It tastes just a little sweet, just a little bit. I don't know what type of pickle that is. I'm just in Paris for a layover, y'all. I didn't get real sophisticated. There's a lot of spots that I could have gone, but I just decided to chill out here at the hotel. This is 11 bucks. Hey. I don't know if these are boat tourists that just passed, but they go by and they make the drawbridge raise. When they want to go by, the drawbridge behind me over there lifts up. Yeah, man, this is a joke. That's 7-Up. It tastes like Diet 7-Up. It seems like I'm complaining a lot. I'm not. Let me taste this. I'm not complaining, y'all. It tastes good. I am complaining about the onion rings. Look though, they got some spices on them. They got some seasonings and herbs. That's it, y'all. Something real quick. I may go walk around a little bit until about 6 or 7. Then I'm going to bed. I gotta get up and fly to Southeast Asia tomorrow. So I just wanted to check in real quick while we're out here. Let y'all know I'm still alive. Keep posting content up. And if nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people, but I love you cats. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Yo, the train be packed up here in France. Everybody and their mother on that John. And of course, I'm in Paris, man. I had to go. I was tired, y'all. But I had to go check out the Eiffel Tower. It was absolutely amazing. And all of the artwork, that's
French.
everywhere.
Excuse me, please.
Yes. Oh, wow. English.
Si.
My man.
Welcome from Paris.
We're Bali?
Paris.
Oh, Paris, yeah.
I live in
You
the
from
street.
Paris. I'm from Paris, too. There was graffiti art or some type of art everywhere I turned my head in this area. That's one thing I like about traveling is that I could just get out on the streets, man, and walk around, check out the natives, check out the different artworks, check out the things that they do in their community and how they relax. And it's just amazing, man. I love this. Right now, I'm purposely walking around, trying to get lost, and just enjoying some of the artwork, man, that's on the walls here in this area of Paris, man. Really, everything is kind of like similar, but very different. You know, this is a really interesting neighborhood that I'm in. That was dope, man. I like that. And I didn't get the history of these boats, but they look like they were older boats that were active at one time and they were turned into restaurants. What is funny is the way that people just chill out and sit along the river and walk along the river. I mean, of course they do this in New York City, but it is definitely something different about Paris. Definitely something different about it, you know? Oh, got the laundromat right there, y'all. The Bendex. At the Bendex right there. Then the next morning was breakfast, which I had paid, I believe it was $7 for the breakfast. It was $7 or $8, man, but I definitely was expecting more. Yo, they tricked me, yo. What's this? What is this? They tricked me, yo. They said breakfast. I'm gonna call it cereal. Y'all know I need some cafe. I was wondering where the bread was. Oh yeah. They got the bread right there, the baguettes. That's it, y'all. Paris is done. One day, had a ball, really enjoyed it. Now I am off to Thailand. We're going to Southeast Asia next. About to try to figure out this train to the airport. And then we're off, man. Had a good time in Paris. See you guys when we get to the next stop. All right, so I'm at the airport in France. This is like a whole mall right here. What you know about the mall being in the airport? They got Dior, they got Boss, Tom Ford, Guerlain, McDonald's, Paul, Starbucks. Look, y'all, they got a foosball table at the airport. I ain't never seen nothing like this. We here in France, man. They serious about their games. There it is right there. I should ask somebody if they want to play foosball. on Thai Airways about to head to Bangkok, Thailand. This is a nice airplane. Even the coach seats are nice, are spacious, are roomy, have enough like room. I'm in Bangkok airport, man. These people movers are like roller coasters here too. Here we go, here we go. All right, y'all, I'm hearing that the train into Bangkok costs about 45 baht. That's like $1 and some change. Or I can get a Grab for, which is like an Uber here, for about 20 something dollars. I'm catching the train, man. I got plenty of time before I check in. Let's go and adventure. All right, y'all, I see the train line right there, City 1 line. Let's go get it. I don't know where I'm going. I don't even know how to use these machines. This is funny, y'all.